Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Banja Luka, and that's Bosnia if you didn't know. And so I'm at Kastel Fortress, and I think Kastel is the name of the maker, or whatever the name of it is, and the fortress. But it's really a castle, but it would be called Castle. Anyway, I don't know 100% for sure, but I've looked on the web and I've posted a drone video, and it said Kastel Fortress. So it'd be Castel. Okay, doesn't matter, we're moving on. Behind me is the theater, and I'm gonna walk around and show you what I see. The insides seem to be a little bit less neat than the outsides. I love the outside walls, but this is where they do plays, and I think they still use them today. And so if you come to watch a play here or a reenactment or something, you got to bring your own plank of wood. So you see these stones sticking up, so you have to measure that and bring a plank of wood. Anyway, I don't know how that goes either, but it's pretty neat. But it's pretty old too. It goes way back in history. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in the center, and I'm going to walk away around the outside. And so just to spice things up, I usually go from the outside to the inside, but let's do the inside to the outside. And it looks pretty amazing. And I was trying to figure out, you see the Muslim tower, the mosque, that's what it's called. Are those people up there? I went in one tower and it was pretty scary, actually. Getting out on that edge, you just kind of hang over the precipice and you kind of wing it. But I thought this tree was pretty amazing too. Anyway, let's show you the castle. And again, this is Banja Luka, and it's in Bosnia. Herzegovina. I never even go for that word because it's just, I butcher it every time. So we'll just take a look. And there's restaurants attached to this castle. There's towers. There's all sorts of different things happening here. And those are stairs leading up to that section, but that section looks closed. But the view from up here is pretty amazing. And I'll take a stop here real quick and you can read it. So, Kastel is a rare multi-layered archaeological site, blah, blah, blah. But it's Kastel. So it's castle, right? If it's a castle. But you read it. Hit pause if you want to keep reading. Hit pause now. Okay, I'm moving on. Bye. So anyway, and I wouldn't go down that one. That one scared me. It was just dark and nasty, and even with my phone light, I still felt a little frightened. But this one, and the stairs are not even nice, and you can see this one's even broken. But so if you have mobility issues, you might want to be careful or avoid this location. And this is on the river, what's the name of that? Vargas, I think. Yeah, that's pretty amazing, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, pretty exceptional. So this is like the outer wall down here, and then there's an inner wall up here. So this would probably be lined with archers and stuff, and then once they breach that wall, they move back to here, I guess. I don't know. Let's see, can I get down here? It doesn't look like it. But it's a pretty amazing view. And I think this thing said it was built in 1539. I'll take you to the sign on the outside. And we got the graffiti. mutilation. Okay, well, we're going to skip that one. Yeah, be careful here. You could quite easily get to falling down a stair or something. Here's a tower. Dzień dobry. So dzień, I think, is good, and dobre is afternoon, and dzień jutro is good evening, I think, and you know Eric. This is a mess. So again, like I was saying, Kastel Fortress. So, but it really looks like a castle to me, almost, or I don't know, I guess it's a fortress. Anyway, hit pause if you want to read that. And I'm going to move on, and there's a map of it. But I think the outsides, sorry for that fast spin, are amazing. So I think I'm going to walk fast or quickly. Well, let's go through that door over there. You get the point on the outside of this place. Pretty amazing. That door over there looks open, so I'm doing it. Kastel Fortress. I guess it shouldn't be called Kastel Castle, because maybe they don't consider it a castle. Maybe there's no, but there were buildings here at one time. Anyway, it is not mine to ask why. Just to do or die. Let's see what this leads to. Wow, okay. Huh. It's pretty big and windy. That does not look like it goes anywhere but to a dead end. So we'll stop there and go back out. Sorry, everybody. Please be patient as the tour guide learns his way through the castle fortress. So this was my first time for being in Banja Luka. It looks like, I don't know, I guess I can go through the grass, can't I? Why not? There's no signs that say no grass cutting across or anything. However, my shoes are going to get wet, but that's okay. Take one for the team. Oh, there's a trail here. All right. We're on it. Okay, slippery when wet. Pretty neat. I'm going to cut through here. I figured figure if there's a bench, that means people are encouraged to walk through here. So what a great bench, and it's got a little table too next to it. How wonderful, under this amazing tree. Think about how much history has happened under this little tree and in this corner of this castle. Fortress, sorry. Aha, another entrance. All right. You can tell how big this place is. I mean, it's fairly enormous. And if we need to go potty, they provide potty rooms or outhouses or jungle droppings, whatever we're going to call it. I can hear the okay, so this place doesn't close. There's no tickets required. There's no no entrance or exit fees, and there's no, I don't think they close the doors at all. Is this the same sign? I think it is. Yes, same sign as before. But here's a picture. Kind of cool. And the walls are amazing, huh? It certainly is a big fortress. Ooh, look at Eric go. Oh, and it looks like they had a party here or something. Wow. Huh, can I go up this? It looks like there's a trail. I'm doing it anyway. Yeah, huge. Look at all the kegs of beer. Wow. Or are those tables? Who knows? Huh. You know, it's pretty wet and lush here. The humidity's pretty high. And you can see the clouds on the mountains behind us, or in front of us. You ever stop and think about defending a fortress like this and having archers stand up here and shoot arrows and attack? Wow. I guess they're all out here so they can just keep shooting the people that are approaching and be safe as possible. And there's ones that are cut wide open, like this one, and there's ones that are cut like this. Huh. Wow, that's a long way down, everybody. Oh, and look at the walls way over there. Look at that guy over there standing there. That's amazing. That's a long way. What would people do? Float down the river and attack? I guess that's about the only option, huh? And here's another trail. Let's take it. Oh, I wouldn't climb that ladder. Yikes. I guess they're taking down the party structures. Wow. So this is certainly different than America. In America, they'd have a rail here so that you couldn't do what I'm doing. Yeah, I think that would hurt if you fell that 30 or 40 feet. I think you'd end up paying a price with a leg or an arm or something. I think I can run down that though. I'm gonna go up over there. Can I get down this? All right, everybody, let's be brave. Here we go. Okay, okay. Okay, slippery and wet. Here we go. Whew. With a backpack. It's a pretty amazing area. I bet they could have some amazing parties and stuff in here. Yeah, the history. Let's climb the rocks instead of the mud. Yeah, maybe this is slicker. Oh, you know, now it's getting close to the edge and there's a lethal drop. So I'm going to get off the wall and go this way. Anyway, I think I've given you enough of a tour of Kastel Fortress to know what we're dealing with. It's worth seeing. It's interesting. If you're in Banja Luka, you might as well, right? Oh, is this a dead end too? Now that's poopy. Yeah, I think it is a dead end. Yeah, humph. Okay. Let me look over this wall. Look how thick this wall is, by the way. That's pretty enormous. And the mountains are amazing with the clouds on them. Okay, everybody. I think that's it for me. I'll do a nice slow pan here so you can get a feeling of what it looked like inside the Kastel Fortress. Cool, cool. Thanks for coming, everybody. Bye-bye.